Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another air frying video. And within this video, I'm going to show you how to air fry squash. Now this is yellow squash, fresh out of the garden, but you know the same technique would work for zucchini. You know, your green squash. So the first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is clean your squash, and I've already done that in the sink, so it's clean after taking it out of the garden. Always cut off the tips. This is just my personal preference, that end and that end also. Now for frying it, air frying it rather, usually slice it about like that. So I'm just going to make a good batch of squash here to air fry. And obviously the advantage to air frying is that it doesn't have all of the grease, stuff like that. I mean, it's just a more healthy option, and it tastes really good. I mean, it's got the texture and the flavor, and you don't have all that grease. Just going to cut this up here. So now that we've got our squash chopped up, what we want to do next is make our batter. Now, something that I've found, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find both the air fryer and the batter that I'm using, but I just use this. It's good on a lot of things, vegetables and chicken. Put some of this in a bowl, and the amount that you'll use varies, and that's obviously determined by how much stuff you're frying. So I'm going to put that in there. I think that's probably enough for what I've got. And for olive oil, I'm just going to put just a drop. Just like that. So I mean, that's probably not even necessary, but a little bit of olive oil makes it stick a little bit better. So see, now it's just kind of a powdery type consistency. I'm going to put just a little bit of water, just a few drops of water, as you can see there at the bottom. And then what I'm going to do, just get a spoon. I'm going to mix this up, because you want this to be wet and sticky enough to stick to your squash. Look at that consistency. So that is ready to coat the squash to go into the air fryer. So the next thing we do, and this right here, you can see I've got the little whatever part you call it in there. That's important. So it's not just a bowl. It's this little thing that makes it extra crispy. So that goes on top of that. It's a little bit wet. It just came out of the dishwasher. But what I do now is I just take the squash, I put it in the batter, and you can see there now it's coated with batter. Once it's coated with batter, I just drop it in. And to save time, you can do a few of these at a time if you want to. Okay, now what I'm going to do is do 390 for 11 minutes. So I'm going to do air fry, 390 degrees, and then 11 minutes. It's probably a good idea to pause around 6 minutes and just quickly check things out, and with a tool such as this, just kind of move everything around a little bit. And then we'll resume. Okay, it's almost ready, but what I always do is check. I check one piece to see if it's like I like it. So here's one piece. Again, I did a very light batter because I don't want a lot of bread. I'm trying to be as healthy as I can. But the main thing here, and so you can see the batter on it, it's just a very lightly coated batter. That's how I wanted it to turn out. So we're going to let this cool off for just a second and then give it a taste test. Taste test is always important because it's not quite, I know I'd said 390 for 11 minutes, but although it's almost perfect, the squash could be just a little, could use just a tad more. Okay, so here it is after an additional 2 minutes. Oh yeah, this can be perfect. And you can see here the coloration. It's got more browning, and it's definitely crispier. So I'm going to sample this just to be sure, but I can already tell you it's going to be just like I like it. So, oh yeah, crispy on the outside, very light batter, like I wanted it. If you want a thicker batter, you can mix some egg and stuff in to more thickly coat your vegetable, in this case squash. We're just going to let this cool for just a second. Oh yeah, that is good. Fresh out of the garden, fried in a healthy way, you can't beat it. So that's how I air fry squash. Again, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find the air fryer, the batter that I used, and a whole lot of other recipes too. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for IrixGuy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.